Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Autocars. The 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo stands as a testament to Ferrari's dedication to performance, design, and innovation. This mid-rear engine sports car pays homage to the most powerful V8 in Ferrari's history, delivering an unparalleled driving experience. Engine and performance. At its heart lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing an impressive 710 horsepower. This powerhouse propels the F8 Tributo from 0 to 100 km/h in a mere 2.9 seconds, reaching a top speed of 340 km/h. The engine's design ensures instantaneous power delivery with zero turbo lag, all while producing a distinctive and exhilarating exhaust note. Aerodynamics and design. The F8 Tributo's design is a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. Advanced aerodynamic solutions, such as the S-duct and redesigned rear spoiler, enhance downforce by 15% compared to its predecessor, the 488 GTB. These features not only improve performance but also contribute to the car's sleek and aggressive appearance. Interior and technology. Inside, the F8 Tributo offers a driver-centric cockpit, featuring a new generation steering wheel with integrated controls and redesigned standard seats. Every element of the dashboard, door panels, and tunnel has been meticulously crafted to provide both comfort and a sense of connection between the driver and the machine. Ferrari F8 Spider. For those who prefer an open-top experience, the 2025 Ferrari F8 Spider offers the same exhilarating performance with the added thrill of open-air driving. It features a retractable hardtop that deploys in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 45 km/h. The F8 Spider retains the Tributo's impressive performance metrics, ensuring an uncompromised driving experience. In summary, the 2025 Ferrari F8 series exemplifies the brand's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with timeless design, offering enthusiasts a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. For a closer look at the 2025 Ferrari F8 Spider, check out this video.